Unraveling Assumptions, Mastering the GRE Argument Task. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving deep into the GRE Analytical Writing section, specifically the Argument Task. One crucial skill to master for this task is identifying assumptions and flaws. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to spot these hidden elements and boost your GRE score. The argument task on the GRE challenges you to critique a given argument. You're not stating your personal opinion, but analyzing how well the argument is constructed. Often, these arguments have hidden assumptions or logical flaws which weaken them. Identifying these elements is key to your response. Assumptions are unstated ideas or beliefs that make an argument's conclusion seem valid. They are the invisible foundation on which the argument stands. For example, since the sun rises every morning, it will rise tomorrow. The assumption here? That there aren't any unpredictable, extraordinary circumstances that might prevent the sun from rising. Here are some common flaws you might encounter. 1. Generalizations, using specific examples to make broad conclusions. 2. Causal relationships, assuming that because one event followed another, the first event caused the second. 3. False analogies, comparing two things that aren't truly comparable. 4. Circular reasoning, assuming what you are trying to prove. For instance, all students are lazy because only lazy people become students. This statement is a flaw because it's basing its conclusion on its own assumption. Here are some strategies. 1. Ask questions. After reading the argument, ask yourself, what is being assumed here? Or, is there a logical leap? 2. Look for absolutes. Words like all, none, always, and never often signal over generalizations. 3. Break down the argument. Dissect the argument into its premises and conclusion. Check if the conclusion truly follows the premises. After identifying assumptions and flaws, make sure to 1. Clearly state the flaw or assumption you've identified. 2. Explain why it's a problem for the argument. 3. Suggest ways to improve the argument or the kind of evidence that would be needed to make it stronger. Remember, the goal of the argument task is not to prove whether the given argument is right or wrong, but to assess its strength and validity. Identifying assumptions and flaws is a major step in that direction. Practice, stay curious, and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your GRE preparation.